Every day, you receive countless documents from many sources. As they pile up, the flow of your business information can slow, which can lead to lost and misplaced files, storage and organizational issues, manual processing errors, and ineffective information sharing, all of which can drive up costs. That's where IRISPowerscan from IRIS can help. By enabling you to capture, process, and route documents, IRISPowerscan is designed to help save you time and money. Here's how. Documents are captured from virtually any source and then identified by type with IRIS fingerprint. Document imaging is then enhanced, and IRIS's award-winning OCR technology recognizes text and barcodes. Documents are then automatically converted into different formats, including hyper-compressed PDFs, and exported as fully searchable documents to your internal systems or processes using predefined workflows. The result is an efficient flow of business information. Help increase productivity and improve business continuity with IRISPowerscan from IRIS, a strategic partner and wholly owned subsidiary of Canon.